Woulda dey na the bar, money man don't call na the bar. Woulda dey na the bar, diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Woulda dey na the bar, money man don't.
What's up, team? Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Great Open Canal. So today I'm here to give you guys a quick update. This time I don't know if it's because I am taking the MACAROOT in combination with other vitamins. Is that the reason why? Because if you guys have watched my video, I talk about the MACAROOT, me taking the MACAROOT, but I also talk about me taking the MACAROOT this time not on its own. I'm taking it with other vitamins as well. So these are the vitamins that I'm taking the MACAROOT with. So this is the reason why I want to come here and talk about, because this time I felt like the weight gain comes very fast. It's ridiculous. It's not even been up to 1 week. Okay, I started this on the 30th of August. I started this MACAROOT, and today is the 5th of September. Like I said, I only take 1 capsules a day. Today is 5 September. I don't know if I can show you guys, but today is the 5th of September, and I only take this once a day. And when I first started this on the 30th, I remember at night I did weigh myself to check how many kilo I weighed. I don't know if I still have that picture. I still have it somewhere. Just that I have so many pictures that I've made this weekend, that my phone is just so full right now with pictures. I made so many pictures this weekend. It's ridiculous how, when I first started, when I weigh myself the night before ever I start taking this I start taking the MACAROOT, because honestly speaking, this vitamin I have already been taking it, but I wasn't consistent with it. But I take it maybe once in a while, I forget, but I take it. So this one is something new, and so I start taking these two together, like this MACAROOT. No, I think I start taking this vitamin 1 day ahead before I start taking the MACAROOT. So I weighed myself and I weighed 61.8 kilo. That's what I weighed. And so I've taken it, and I've been eating a lot. I have been sleeping a lot. Like, my appetite gain is just right there. I eat, I sleep, I relax. I also have peace of mind. Let me just say that I also have like peace of mind. Like, I'm in that space right now. I'm in a better space in my life. I'm happy, I'm grateful, I have peace of mind. I have love around me. Like, there's so much love around me, and I'm just happy. Overall, I'm just happy. I'm in a really, really good space, and I feel like that also contributes to the happiness. Your mind is rest. That also contributes to the relaxation, to just eat and sleep and relax. I try to put myself in that space where if I cannot change something, I don't stress about it. I focus on the things that I can change. What I cannot change, I don't dwell on it. I don't think of it. I don't do anything. I just let it happen, and whatever will happen will happen. But the things that I can control, I try to control it, and the ones that I cannot control, I just leave it like that. So that also, like, peace of mind, just having peace of mind, just having so much love around me, and I think that also contributes also to the calmness and to the appetite eating and stuff like that. So it's been less than 7 days, and right now as we're talking, I weighed 50. Let me say 50. Excuse the kids in the background. They're back again. They're back home. Holiday has finished. School has started. The noise. I'm back again with the hustle, making videos with these kids around. So please excuse the noise if you guys can pick that up. So as for today, I weighed myself. I weighed 65 kilo, 65.10. This is what I weighed. I don't know if I can pronounce correctly, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but this is what I weighed right now. And it has been just couple of days, just like 6 days, me taking this pale, and I eat a lot. I eat in the morning. Like, I'm eating every single, like, my mouth is always busy. I always have like something in my bag, like boiled egg. I boiled egg. Like, the one thing I've been loving to eat right now is boiled egg. So what I'll do in the morning before I go to work, I'll boil like 3 or 4 egg, and I'll put it in my lunch bowl, and with some bread and any other things. I take fruits, and then I will just be eating the egg, and I'll finish all of those 4 eggs, or 3 or 2, doesn't matter. I'll finish everything before I come home. So it's like I keep on eating. So it's just been less than 7 days, and I'm already at 65 kilo point 10. So, and my goal is 75, so I have 10 more kilo to go. I just want to, and I also started with the weight training, so let me show you guys. I was like, whoa, this thing is going so fast, and I really want to, this time I want to do it right. This time I really want to do it right. I want to focus. I want to also be weight training, and not only just leave my body eat, and then later on I'm having fat everywhere. Even though my body does not like bring out the most fat. Maybe when I said fat for me, for somebody else, it'd be like when I said to my friends, my stomach is getting big, she'd be like, don't laugh also, don't laugh at me. So you understand? So yeah, like that. So I want to do it right for me. What right for me? So I've been weight training. So let me guys show you guys my weight training. Let me stand up so you guys can see. I have been weight training. So this is what I have right now on. This is the back. So you guys can see I have my hair all up because it's so hot. So this is the back of the waist training. I don't wear the waist trainer every like I wear it every single day, but I don't wear it like throughout the day. No. For example, if I'm at work, it's a little bit uncomfortable to wear a waist trainer when I'm at work. But because I work in the morning till in the afternoon, because I have to, by around 2 o'clock, I have to be back home to pick up the kids from school. My kids are not going to daycare, so it's for me. I have a job where I work in the morning, and then till 2 I'm free, and then I come pick up my kids, and then the rest of the day I have it to myself. That is how my life is scheduled. I don't have daycare. Not that I don't have right to have daycare, but I just don't want daycare. I don't want to go. There was a lot of stress around that daycare stuff a couple of years ago, and that experience still get me mentally fucked up, and I don't want to just involve myself into daycare with the kids anymore. So that's why my life is like that. So 2 o'clock after work, I come back home. I think around from 2 o'clock, after picking up the kids from school, is when I will put on my waist trainer and leave it throughout the day, and then take it out at night, and then go to bed and stuff like that. So like in the morning when I'm at work, I don't really put waist trainer because it's very, I don't know, like it's somewhat inconvenient, especially right now when the weather is hot. When I'm home, I can deal with the heat and deal with the waist trainer. Of course, when you wear it, it's compressing. You feel the heat, you feel the tension. But at home, I can deal with it better. I can just relax, edit video, put some fan on, do other things. But at work, it's just not comfortable. So that's the reason why I made it that way. During the morning, I don't just go to work, do my stuff, and after work, when I'm home, I put it on and just do my thing. So yeah, this is it. It's just a quick update. I'm very, very very happy and very glad that it's working so fast. I'm also thinking it's not only the MACAROOT that it's making it to work so fast, okay? I'm just going to be 100% real with you guys. It's also one, of course, yes, the MACAROOT is also helping. I have other vitamins. This vitamin also make you eat and sleep. I like that. And above all, I have peace of mind. I'm just going to be honest. I have peace of mind. I'm in a good space. Like, I am in a good space. I have so much love around me. I'm so much happy. I'm in a good space. So, and I have, when you are happy, when upstairs is in order, everything else just balance correctly. And of course, the vitamins, the MACAROOTs, and the other vitamins are also helping me to eat. So yeah, I'm just in a better space, and I'm just so glad that everything is going so fast. And I can't wait to see what the end of the month, what I will weigh, how many kilo will I be till then. I can't just wait. I'm super excited. And yeah, I just want to come and share with you guys this quick update. If you have any questions, let me know. These vitamins, they only sell them if you live in Holland. If you live in Holland, you can find this online. If you live in Holland, you can find this at the Lidl. And yeah, I take them every single morning. It's like when I wake up in the morning, normally I'm not a breakfast person. This morning when I wake up, I ate a bowl of rice and vegetable soup. That's what I knocked this morning. And then I knocked one bottle of Vinto. Vinto is the drink, Vinto drink. And then I boiled two egg and plantain. I carry it to work. And I eat, before I was in the train, I was eating the other egg. And then when I was at work, I was having break time at lunchtime at work. I ate the other egg. I ate the 2 plantain. I drink chocolate at work. We're having this biscuit. I eat. I was just eating. When I came back home, I was like, I just warm rice immediately. Eat another rice again. I'm like, okay, I just eat ice. I'm like, okay, Lena, I've eaten ice. Let me just relax few minutes, let my stomach rest. And then I went and put waist trainer, and I'm like, I'm here, let me just film this video for you guys. I'm just so excited. I'm just so happy. Like, I eat a lot, I eat so much. And yeah, I'm just glad. I'm just glad to like finally get to my goal, just get to that a little bit of weight. Not that I don't look good. I look good, but I can look better. I like when I'm a little bit heavier than looking skinny. Yeah, so this was a quick update. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you all so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Bye.